Ron Brown. Yes. Are we back in the most amazing?
It's hard being a taxi driver out there in the city, you know. People so rude. You know, they so damn rude. Ask them where they go. They don't tell you. They expect me to know where you wanna go. I asked them, yo, what's that deal? Where you wanna go? Where you tryna go? Where you tryna go? Oh, they don't know. Oh, that pissed me off, you know? Yes, I just be trying to drive. I be trying to whip it down the 95. Ooh, that rhymes, you know? I should be a rapper. Yes, yes, yes. That would be nice. If I was a rapper, you know? That on your back. I smack that. Ooh, yes, yes. Alibaba the rapper. Oh, yes. You see my eyes? You see my eyes? I speak the truth, yo. You know? I speak the truth. I am the truth. Truth. I am the truth, yes. Yes, that is me. I am the truth. I am 100% real, okay? Yes. Yes. I am Alibaba. Yes, the rapper. Anyway, so, this Jewish lady, she come into my car, yes? You know, I give her a ride. You know, she give me lost. She don't know where she going. She tell me to go here. She don't know the cross street. How am I supposed to go? What is the cross street? She can't even tell me, you know? So we get lost. You know? But I'm whipping it, you know? I'm doing my thing. I bring her there. She leaves, you know? She don't give me tip. Okay? You know, she got her Burberry bag, you know? Everything so expensive. She don't leave me tip. I say, dang, man. Jewish people never want to leave a tip. What's good with that? What's good with that? They never want to leave a tip. Why not, yo? Leave a tip, man. Yikes. I be saying though, but when I'm a rapper, you know, I'm gonna tip everybody. Everybody that do things for me, they get a tip. Yes. I ain't no cheap mofo. Nah. I ain't no cheap mofo. Okay? I does the thing right, you know? In my country, we not cheap. Well, we poor, but we not cheap. Well, that don't make no sense. But you know what I mean. Anywho, back to this driving story. So yes, she leave and she left her cell phone. And I was just like, you know, looky here. Miss Rich Chick left her cell phone, you know. I can do two things. I can bring it to the police department or I can sell it on eBay. You don't want to leave a tip, huh? You don't want to leave a tip, huh? I'll show you a tip, you know. I'll make me a big, you know, $250 on eBay. That's a tip, you know. Forget your $2 tip, you know. You know. But you know, out of the kindness of my heart, you know, I brought it to the police department, you know, because I ain't not no stealer, you know. I don't take things from people, you know. I don't need her phone, you know, and I don't need her money, because I'm going to be a rapper one day, okay? All right. That's it, y'all. It's been real. You've been kicking it with Alibaba, right?